Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Today it's Saturday, it's midday, it's 1 p.m. and it's very hot outside. It's 24 degrees more or less, and we're here to show you the gorgeous and really busy Levante Beach on Saturday in April. Let's go and discover it together. It's around 1 p.m. and it's gorgeous time outside. Just look at this. This looks like summer in Benidorm town. People are walking shirtless. People are sunbathing and even swimming in the sea. Today on Saturday, 6th of April. You'll see this video probably 1 hour after it's going to be filmed. This is the atmosphere here on a weekend. Let's have a lovely walk. We've just met two of our lovely subscribers, as you can tell. Hi, if you're watching today's video, I hope you had an incredible day outside. They've been coming here for decades and decades and they love the region. And as many of you love to explore the surrounding area, Altea, Albir, Benidorm, and much more. It's lovely to see you here in Benidorm, and if you see us, say hi. Sometimes we film and we do not really look around, so if you're waving to us, we might not see it. Just say loud and clear, Anna, hi, and then we'll be able to see you and spot you wherever you are located. It was nice to meet more of our subscribers here outside. We are walking towards the Rincon de Loix, the beginning of the Levante Beach. And on our way, obviously, there's a lot of nice businesses that are recommended to try out some nice food. Here we have the Hotel Les Dunes Comodoro. This is a 4-star hotel. We've shared some information about it in the previous videos of hotels situated on the Levante Beach, on the front line of the beach. And they have some nice restaurant with typical Spanish food, meat, rices, seafood, etc. More Mediterranean style cuisine if you prefer. There's even people bringing luggages with them, either just arrived or going back home already. There's many people on the first line of the beach. You can still find some spots, however, where you can lay down, sit down. Some people are even already looking for a shade instead of the sunshine because the sun is shining quite hard. Now you already need to bring some sunscreen, so because the sun might be aggressive already, even now in April. Don't be fooled that it's still April month. The sun is still very strong. Sun hats, bottles of water, sunscreen, especially if you have sensitive skin. Sunscreen is a must already from right now onwards. Up until probably October month, you will need sunscreen when you'll be coming on holidays. One thing we did notice these days is a big increase, huge increase, if you wish, in groups started to arrive to Benidorm. As you can see here on the left side and in the Cayman bar and then the Tiki, it is absolutely full. There's a lot of groups. There's a lot of stag hen parties, divorce parties, bridal showers, groom showers. I see people are just saying hi. There's a lot of them everywhere you go. So officially this season has started. Look at this. There are some people in dresses like this. You know that summer is right around the corner. The Tiki Beach looks insane. People, there's not a single spot to sit down. That's one thing. So people are standing inside of the precinct, inside on the terrace. There's a live entertainment. There's people playing the guitar and singing. But even so, people are sitting outside with the drinks because there's not enough space for everyone. That's absolutely insane. Groups here once again playing some nice games with drinks and cocktails, obviously playing some games here on the beach. Someone is barely sitting down already. Wow, and it's just midday. Look at that. We are going straight forward towards the summer season. Also, we've seen some police officers by now, and they are looking for mojiteros. Mojiteros are the illegal drink sellers on the beach. We've seen them. We've seen them, and police officers were looking for them, but obviously they hide. The same as the potato man. Here in the area nearby, look at the groups. Wow, it is busy. And they were hiding somewhere around here, around the area. They were hiding. Obviously, they have people around, stopping somewhere, sitting down on the bench, just talking to someone by the phone. And once they see police officers nearby, they have spots, the same as potato men, in different parts. So once they see the police approaches or is somewhere even remotely near, they immediately alert and they just go away. They sit below the palm tree, they cover it with something, I don't know, but they just disappear from the surface of the earth, and then they reappear back again. Usually they have some cars nearby where they can just sit down and put it all. Even like this, it's not even possible to drink. It's supposed to not be legal to drink on the beach. And apart from that, mojiteros, the illegal cocktail sellers, they're not coming from any kind of businesses here nearby. So they are not a part of crew or workers or waiters from any other spot here in the area. What they are a part of is like an organization that does sell it. They buy the cheapest alcohol they can find on earth, and they mix cheapest drinks with it. Like this, they usually do mojitos, they do sex on the beach, they do some basic like cocktails like this, tequila sunrise, maybe, I'm not sure. Tequila is quite expensive, but things like these, rum with something, or vodka orange, they do things like these, most popular cocktails here in the area. And they bring 5-6 of them towards the beach. They sell it. They usually like a big glasses, like, well, they're mostly cups, plastic cups. Big plastic cups of cocktails. They're bringing it to the beach. A lot of tourists know they shouldn't be buying it, but then there are others who are young, they're having fun, they don't feel like going anywhere for a cocktail, and they just ask for it. This is a huge mistake because there's a lot of the times there's like rubbing alcohol or like sanitary, like medical alcohol being put inside of these things. So because it's very cheap. So a lot of the times people, whenever they drink this cocktail, if they're slightly more sensitive, they can even get into a coma. People get hospitalized because of these things. So if you are here in Benidorm, please do not purchase alcohol from the mojito sellers on the beach. Don't do so, please. You will avoid a lot of unnecessary issues, medical bills, and your holidays being ruined basically by this. Go to any of the places nearby like these ones, grab a nice drink on the terrace. Just sit down somewhere, relax for some time, and then head back to the beach. You won't lose anything, but what you will gain is a stress-free holiday. Trust us, because we've seen a lot of these issues in the private hospitals with tourists that did not know they cannot purchase these things. So take care and be careful, please, during your holidays. It actually does feel like slightly more than 24 degrees. This is why a lot of people are going with shorts already, t-shirts, like open footwear with some clothing that is slightly better for this type of weather. Some businesses are closed. This one right here that you've just seen, the Stars, it was closed for a long time. They were preparing it. Then they've opened it up for a couple of months, and now it's closed back again. I don't get it. There is no menu on the entrance, nothing. Probably it's because it was not a profitable business. I barely ever seen someone to get inside. It's not a clear, the concept. It's not clear at all. It's a different design. It looks very cold. It doesn't look inviting. There's never people inside, or workers, anyone. So it just feels like it's closed, and we will be bothering them if we will go inside. So probably that's why it's closed now back again. But this time, I don't think they're going to be opening up anytime soon. What we do see in Benidorm, what we do smell as well is the sunscreen. We smell a lot of sunscreen, like typical coconut oils, the cream, the typical sunscreen, like cream smell. that usually we have in summer on the beach. This is the one that we can smell already here on the Levante Beach. A lot of people outside, a lot of groups, a lot of friends, families with children, solo travelers, couples. Everyone came here towards the Levante Beach to enjoy the day of sunshine. This type of weather will be something we'll be having all this entire week. So if you are coming on holidays now, you are really, really lucky. Oh, look at this. The same police officer. That's exactly the same police officer. And now they're going with quads already. Look at that. They're going with quads already. I think he's asking my hubby something. There are police officers now with quads already. Before they used to go with the car or they go walking, but this time they went with a quad and they're searching non-stop for these mojito sellers here on the beach. The good thing is that while they are here, mojito sellers are not. They are somewhere in between, hidden. And the good thing is that the potatoes scammers are also not here any longer. They're hiding while the police officers are here. So it's a win-win for all of us. All the terraces right now that are actually open, and it's the vast majority of them, all the terraces are really, really busy. The beach is busy. There's people right there doing cable ski. Look at this. People doing cable ski. So cable ski is working already. That's great news. Saturday, 6th of April, officially open cable ski. All the terraces with a lot of groups of friends. That is insane. How many like friend groups, stag parties, and in general like these celebrating groups arrived to Benidorm in just the amount of days, in just days time, comparing with the previous week when there were actually almost none of them. Now it's really, really full of the groups celebrating something at least. The good news is that all this arrival of a lot of groups, of a lot of people, way more tourists, did bring some changes in terms of excursions and things that you can actually do by the beach. We thought that since it's still not so warm to swim, that all the beach attractions and all the activities you could do by the beach will not be available just yet, but they actually are from now on. Oh my goodness, there's even go-go dancers. What in the world? We have this Oasis Beach Club. There's just people sitting there drinking some cocktails. And then there's just a half naked with a bikini lady dancing on a scene. So random. Usually we see them on the British street, but not here. That's very, very strange. Have it during the day. Usually it's on nighttime only when they are dancing. That is unexpected. So in terms of activities, we're almost here, almost at the beginning of the Levante Beach in Rincon de Loix, and we'll try and show you as much as we can of all the activities that are available right now, starting from now on. If you'll arrive now, you will have all these activities available for you, for your friends, children, grandchildren, for yourself, for whoever you want. First of them, obviously, is a jet ski. They are all parked right there next to the cable ski. Jet skis usually are quite expensive. It's something quite expensive, okay, for your holidays. It's not cheap at all, and it's quite a fast attraction. And this year, I think they've raised the prices tiny bit. If you've tried it last year, let us know what the price was. But this year, I think it's 90 euros. Yeah, it's 90 euros. So the jet skis here, special offer, low season, 90 euros. In summer, it should be more, maybe 100, 120, not too sure. Never tried them, but this is special offer, 90 euros. So it must be cheap for this type of attraction, for this type of activity here by the beach. Then we have other things here, water sports, Benidorm. They have the fly fish, the banana, the parasailing. Okay, all right, parasailing, one person, two people, 60 euros per person when it's two people. When it's additional people as well, third person, they do give you SD card, like a memory card, because I suppose they're filming everything. So that goes for an extra charge. Not sure if you can actually film something if you're on it, unless you put your camera somewhere so that you wouldn't need to actually use your hands for it. But for the rest, it's quite all right. Then you have the banana, 35 more or less per person, but you need to have at least 3 people to be able to use it. So if there's less, sadly it is not possible. I'm quite sure it's for safety issues. Probably there needs to be some kind of specific minimum weight for it to make sense, for it not to just go up from the water and fly in the air. Basically, these are the attractions. You have the parasailing, you have jet ski, you have a cable ski, you have the banana, the fly fish, the parasailing. Quite a lot of activities here on the Levante Beach. All these bars are also quite full. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's around 24, 25 degrees outside. People are swimming in the sea. People are going paddle surf right here. People are swimming, enjoying the perfect summer beach day. We are officially in summer. By the way, the air is slightly white because there is kalima. There is like this African air mass that came to the region. This is why the air looks white slightly. It's going to be looking whiter as the day goes, but still, this is what brings us such a warm weather in Benidorm town today and in a lot of other parts of Spain. Absolutely incredible summer day in Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us on today's informative walking tour down really busy Levante Beach with more than 24 degrees on the sunshine on Saturday here in Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us, and we'll see you in a new video here on the channel. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write us a comment so that YouTube would see that you're interested in our videos. Greetings from the sunny and gorgeous Benidorm town. Bye, Dees.